Hello, grade 3. Are you well? Are you okay? Are you good? สบายดีไหมครับ Yeah? Great. Today we're going to carry on with Unit 4. That's jobs. We're going to look at the 6 jobs. We're going to do that every lesson, okay? So that you remember, just like all the words we learn in the unit, we will practice every class. So we'll do that first. You will need your student book and you will need your headphones. Well, you don't need your headphones, but if you have them, that's great. We are going to look at the student book. You are going to practice a new question. You're also going to look at the actions for the 6 jobs. So really, the action, if we are talking about a job, achieve, the action will be work, right? Yeah, ทำงาน What work do you do in that job? They are your actions. There are 6. We'll look at those in this class. Then we will practice the first question of Unit 4. And then at the end, I will show you your homework. Yes, you have some homework. It's very, very easy, okay? It's workbook. So you just need your student book. And if you have them, your headphones and your eyes and your ears. Okay, that's it. Let's start. Okay, like I said last time, we're going to practice our 6 jobs. We're going to do this every class for Unit 4. So let's go. Number 1, who's this? This man flies a plane. Maybe it could be a lady, but here it is a man. Number 1, pilot. Pilot. Number 2, this man is taking care of your teeth. He cleans your teeth, fixes your teeth, puts new teeth in your head, takes out old teeth, cleans your teeth. Could be a lady, but here it is a man. So number 2, what is the job? Yeah, it's a dentist. Dentist. Number 3, whoa, this man is taking pictures of a volcano, lava. Look at that. Wow, he has a camera. What is his job? That's right, number 3, he is a photographer. Remember, Oxian, photographer. Michai, photographer, okay? Photographer. Photographer. Number 4. This lady is coming to a postbox to get the letters. Now, I know that this is in England because that is an English postbox, a red postbox. We call it a pillar box. A post box. Now you can see a very big one of these in Thailand. Do you know where? You can see one in Bangkok. Do you know where? There is a very, very big one in Tanon, Jengwatana. Yeah, it's next to Soon Ratchagan in Jengwatana Road. It's very, very big. Okay, so this lady is a postal worker. Number 4, postal worker. Okay. This man is fixing a car or repairing a car. Fix, repair, เหมือนกัน fix, ซ่อม repair, ซ่อม ซ่อมรถ Okay. What is the job? Number 5. Mechanic. Yes, he is a mechanic. Remember that the CH in this word is a K sound, not ch. Okay. Mechanic. And number 6. This lady is drawing and designing a building. Building, เปล่าอะไร building. อาคาร yes. Or ตึก could be a school, could be a house, could be a library. What else? A post office, a police station, a bridge, an airport. What else? A hotel, a car park. What else do they design? A mall, a shopping mall. Yeah. What is her job? She is an architect. Yes, number 6, architect. This is the same. The CH is a K sound. Not architect, no, architect. Okay, great. We will practice these every class so that you remember. This is the page we are looking at today in your student book. So you will need your student book. You don't need a pencil. It's just reading, speaking, listening. Listen to me, practice your speaking, okay? So we're going to look at part A. This is page number 40 in your student book, 40. Part A, listen and say. So I will say the words. These are the actions, and then you say them after me, okay? Easy. We're going to look at the new question. Can you see it? Oh, it's a mosquito. Can you see the question? What do pilots do? They fly planes. So we are looking at the job in the question. Yes. คำถามมีอาชีพ okay? And then the answer has the action, which is work. So what do pilots do? นักบินทำอะไร They fly planes. Okay? And we'll do that for dentists, photographers, postal workers, mechanics, and architects. So that is part B. And then, oh no, sorry, that is part A. Part B, we will practice that question to see if you can remember. So I think you do not get to see the words. You have to remember them. How to do that? Go back to part A. You can put the video back and look again. Practice again. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 100 times. You can practice, okay? No problem. Shall we do it? Let's start. Come on, page 40 in your student book, okay? Okay, you need to look at student book page 40. We are going to look at the actions for the 6 jobs. Now, actions, when we are talking about job แปลว่าอะไร อาชีพ So when we are talking about actions, this must be work. Yes? ทำงาน it must be work. So we're going to look at the work actions for the jobs. Okay, here we go. Number 1, pilot. Fly planes. Fly planes. Now the action here is fly. Yes, fly. Plane is a thing. Plane เป็นสิ่งของเครื่องบิน So fly is the action. Number 2, dentist. Take care of teeth. So the action is take care. Take care. Number 3, a photographer. What does a photographer do? Take pictures. Yeah. So the action here is take, you know, with the camera. Take pictures. Postal worker. What does a postal worker do? Deliver letters. So the action here is deliver. Deliver. Mechanic. What does a mechanic do? Number 5. Repair cars. So the action is repair. And number 6, an architect. Number 6, design buildings. So the action here is design. Let's look a bit more at these actions. Okay, before we look at the actions, I want to talk about speaking. So when we speak about jobs, when we talk about all of the jobs in the world, then we use S to show that we are talking about all of them. Now, I am not talking about counting, okay? I'm not talking about counting. I'm talking about when we speak about all of the people that do one job. So, all of the nurses in the world, we say nurses. ทุกพยาบาล nurses. Okay, let me show you. Wow, here are a lot of nurses. They are in all different places in the world, but they are all nurses. Yes? Nurses work in hospitals. Here we put S because we are talking about all of the nurses in the world. Yes? ทุกพยาบาล nurses work in hospitals. Let's think of another one. Pilot. Yes? นักบิน Pilots fly planes. Pilots fly planes. So we use S because we are talking about all pilots in the world. All pilots. Pilots fly planes. Okay, just something to think about because you will see this in Unit 4 and I want you to understand. Okay, right, let's move on. Okay, here is part A, listen and say. So let's look at the practice picture. That is number 1. So here we can see our question. What? So the question is what? อะไร นักบินทำอะไร What do pilots do? What do pilots do? And we have our answer. So picture number 1 is here. We know that is a pilot. Here is our action. And our answer to the question is they. They. พวกเขา because we are talking about all of the pilots. ทุกนักบิน all of the pilots. They fly planes. That's our question. What do? And then the job. And then we say do. And the answer is they. And then we say the action. What do pilots do? They fly planes. Let's look at number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. You will have to remember the name of the job, okay? That is why we practice. Shall we try? Let's try. Okay. Here is our question. Here is our job. So who is this? That's right, it's a dentist. Question, what do dentists do? And we have our answer, but we need our people word, remember? They, that's right, they. So the answer is, they take care of teeth. Excellent. Let's look at number 3. Do you remember our question for number 3? So who is this? What is the job? That's right, it's a photographer. Very good. What do photographers do? And our action is here. And our question word, what do photographers do? The answer is they. Remember, พวกเขา because we are talking about all of the photographers. The answer is they take pictures. They take pictures. Okay, number 4. What's the job? Can you remember? That's right, postal worker. So our question is, what do postal workers do? And here's our action, deliver letters. And you remember the people word that we use? They, that's right. Answer, they deliver letters. Great. Number 5. Question. Here is the job. Can you remember the job? That's right, mechanic. So our question is, what do mechanics do? And the answer is this action, repair cars. And our people word, they, that's right. Answer, they repair cars. Now I've put fix here because you can say fix. Repair, fix, they are the same. เหมือนกัน repair, ซ่อม fix, ซ่อม repair cars, ซ่อมรถ fix, ซ่อมรถ up to you, okay? If you say fix, I'm happy, no problem. Let's look at number 6. Number 6, what is the question? Can you remember the job? That's right, she's an architect. So the question is, what do architects do? There's our action, design buildings. And our people word is they. So the answer is, they design buildings. Okay. Remember, you can come back to this video and watch it again and again for practice, no problem, okay? Okay, now we're going to look at part B, ask and answer. So what we just looked at, we are going to put to the test to see if you can remember. So we're going to look at dentists, postal workers, architects, mechanics, pilots, and photographers. Okay, shall we do it? Come on, it's easy. Let's do it. I'll help you. Okay, so let's look again at these pictures and practice the question and answer about the job and the action. The question is the job and the answer is the action. So here you can see the question and answer. I've given them to you. You can see that number one is a dentist. The lady is a dentist. So the question is, what do dentists do? And the answer is, they take care of teeth. In the question, dentist has S. You see that? Dentists. Because we are talking about all dentists. Tuk mol fun, right? All dentists. They take care of teeth. They. Poor cow. They. All of them. They take care of teeth. Okay, let's look at number two. Oh, number two. I have not given you the question or answer. So let's think about this man. What is his job? Yep, he's a postal worker. So the question is, what do postal workers do? He's got that thing in his hand that he keeps in his bag and then he puts in the box at your house. So what's his action? What's the answer? There he is. Postal workers, they deliver letters. They deliver letters. Okay, number three. This lady is drawing a house or a school or a hospital. I'm not sure. Maybe a shopping mall. So what's the question? Well, we need to know what she is. Can you remember? That's right, she's an architect. So the question is, what do architects do? And the answer, can you remember? They. What do? They design buildings. Okay, number four. This man is standing next to a car. The front is open. He can see the engine. He has a spanner in his hand. That's called a spanner. It's for fixing things. So what's his job? That's right, he's a mechanic. What do mechanics do? The answer is they. Can you remember the action? They repair cars. They repair cars. Okay, cool. Number five. Oh, this lady is in an aeroplane. She is what is she? Yeah, she's a pilot. So the question is, what do pilots do? And the answer, I think you know this one, they fly planes. They fly planes. Cool. Number six, last one. Ah, this man has a camera. Click, click, click. He has a camera. What is his job? Yes, he is a photographer. So the question is, what do photographers do? And the answer is they take care. No, they don't. Sorry. They take pictures. They take pictures. They don't take care of pictures. No, they take pictures. So to take pictures, you have to have a camera. Yes. So they take pictures. He's taking pictures of flowers. Okay, so these are our 6 jobs. Let's really practice the jobs and this question, and then hopefully we will remember the actions. Okay, great. Okay, so this is your homework. This is workbook page 34. 1 page, 2 parts. Part A, look and match. So you must look at the pictures. There are 6. They are the jobs. And then draw a line from the word to the correct picture. Here we can see number 1 has been given for you. So the word is architect. And then the picture goes to this man. Is he an architect? Yes. So that's good. You have to do number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. Okay, part B. Part B, find and write. So here you must look at the things in the pictures. So number one, what is the thing? Here it is. It's a spanner. Who uses a spanner? Do you remember from the student book we saw a man with a spanner? Write the name of the job here. Now it's already in there, isn't it? Look, you can see it. M-E-C-H-A-N-I-C. Mechanic. Okay, you do it with number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. When you have finished, there is a secret word here. What does it spell? You write the word in the sentence at the bottom. Mr. Wright is a... You have to tell me, okay? That is your homework. Page 34 in the workbook, part A and part B. You will need a pencil and an eraser. And don't forget, you have 1 week, 7 days to send it to me on the Patay Udom Suksa website, grade 3 homework, 1 week after the YouTube date. Wanti YouTube, okay? Please check it. Okay, great. Good luck. That is the end of the lesson today. So, what did we learn? Well, we practiced the 6 jobs, and we will do that every class. We practiced the actions for the jobs, the work. So the work is the action words. There are 6 because there are 6 jobs. And we practiced question number 1. What do, and then the name of the job plus S, do. What do pilots do? What do architects do? What do postal workers do? And then we looked at the answer. They, and then the action. They fly planes. They deliver letters. They take pictures. Okay, don't forget your homework. Don't forget to send it to the Patay Udom Suksa website, grade 3 ILP, so I can check it. Okay, you have 1 week, 7 days from this video uploading to YouTube. Don't forget, please. Carry on with your video project if you are still doing that. That's okay. That's great. Make it look really good. Okay. Have a very nice day, and I will see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.